Are you looking for the cheapest home in the Tezal area? It is brand new. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful home in the Riviera community. This community is going to offer you 3-bedroom and 2.5 bath, beautiful homes, and with gorgeous ocean view that you cannot even imagine how beautiful they are. So follow me for this great property tour. I'm Francesco Lee and I'm your Italian Cabo realtor. Let's dive in together.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
How do you feel about this beautiful home? This is the cheapest, brand new home that you can find in the Tezal area of Cabo San Lucas. And I'm here always to help you find the best opportunity in our market. I'm Francesco Lee and I'm your Italian Cabo realtor. Subscribe to my channel and follow me for the best property tour in this area. I see you on the next one. Ciao!